Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change email on Ring app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now in order to change your email on Ring app, first you need to launch your Ring app. And once you launch your Ring app, you'll be seeing a homepage like this, right? Now all you gotta do is simply tap on the three bar icon on the top left corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, here you'll have these options, and now simply select account settings. And once you select account settings, here all you gotta do is tap on the email option. And once you tap on email option, here you'll get these options, that is name, email and phone number, right? Now all you gotta do is just simply tap on update right next to email. And then once you tap on update, here first you need to log in with your or enter your password, and then once you enter your password, tap on continue. Verification code will be sent to your phone number. Simply enter the verification code and tap on verify code. And once you do that, here you will get an option to enter the new email, right? Now simply all you gotta do is type in the new email and type in the new email once again to confirm it, and then lastly tap on change email. Once you tap on that, here you will be redirected to the homepage of the Ring app, right? Now simply tap on login and log in with the new email and with your old password and use your account, and you should be good to go. And that's basically how you do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.